How do Federal Direct Unsubsidized Loans work for grad school? Imagine being able to fund your graduate studies without having to pay everything out of pocket right now. That's where Federal Direct Unsubsidized Loans come in. These loans are a way for graduate students to cover education costs with help from the U.S. Department of Education. And like some loans, these are not based on your financial need, so any eligible student can apply. To get started, you need to fill out the free application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA. This form is what your school uses to see how much aid you qualify for, including loans. After reviewing your FAFSA, your school will send you a financial aid offer that might include a Federal Direct Unsubsidized Loan. You can borrow up to $20,500 each year for graduate school. This is a yearly limit, but there is also a total borrowing cap of $138,500 for your entire graduate education. This total includes any loans you took out during your undergraduate studies. If you reach this limit, you cannot borrow more unless you pay back some of your loans first. Interest on these loans starts to accumulate as soon as the money is sent to your school. You are not required to make payments while you are in school, but the interest keeps growing. If you don't pay the interest while in school, it gets added to your total loan balance, which is called capitalization. This can make the total amount you owe increase over time. To qualify for these loans, you need to be enrolled at least half-time in a degree program. Most graduate programs requiring at least 5 credit hours per semester to meet this requirement. If you drop below half-time, you might lose your eligibility and your repayment period could start sooner. Before you receive your first loan, you must complete entrance counseling. This helps you understand your responsibilities as a borrower. You also need to sign a Master Promissory Note, which is your legal agreement to repay the loan. Once you graduate or leave school, you can choose from different repayment plans. Some plans are based on your income, which can make monthly payments more manageable. If you face financial hardship, options like deferment or forbearance are available to pause or reduce payments temporarily. These loans are often recommended because they have lower interest rates and better protections than private loans. But it's important to borrow only what you need and to think about how you will repay the loans after graduation. Overall, Federal Direct Unsubsidized Loans are a dependable way to help pay for your graduate education. Applying is straightforward through the FAFSA, and understanding how they work can help you plan your finances better. Being aware of these details can make funding your graduate studies less stressful and more manageable.